Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue and not purple? Let's dive into this colorful mystery together. First, let's talk about Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere is mostly made of nitrogen, about 78% of it. There's also around 20% oxygen, and the rest is bits and pieces like carbon dioxide. Mixed in there are tiny particles like pollen, dust, sand, pollution, and smog. Now, let's talk about light. The sunlight we see as white is actually made up of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When this white light from the sun enters our atmosphere, it doesn't travel straight. Instead, it collides with those air molecules and tiny particles, causing it to scatter in all directions. Here's the interesting part. Some of these particles are about the same size as the wavelength of blue light. When light hits a particle the same size as its wavelength, it scatters. This is called Rayleigh scattering. Because blue light waves are shorter, they scatter more than other colors. That's why the sky appears blue almost everywhere you look. But why isn't the sky purple, since violet light has even shorter wavelengths and should scatter even more? The answer lies in our eyes. In our heads, we have cones and rods that detect colors. Our cones detect red, blue, and green colors, so the brain splits that light into reds, greens, and blues. The reason the sky isn't violet or purple is because there is no such thing as a purple cone. Our brain is just simply more susceptible to blue light, so we see more of it. Let's talk about sunrise and sunset. Have you noticed how the sky turns red, orange, and pink during these times? This happens because when the sun is low on the horizon, its light travels through a longer path in the atmosphere. This means the light passes through more air and particles, causing even more scattering. By the time the light reaches us, most of the blue light has scattered out, leaving behind the reds, oranges, and yellows. That's why sunsets and sunrises are so colorful and dramatic. So, next time you look up at that beautiful blue sky, remember it's all because of Rayleigh scattering and how our eyes perceive light. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cool science facts. Thanks for watching, and always shoot for the stars.